Okay, let's start with TDS rates. 192 talks about salary, basic exemption, slab rates. Then 192A, accumulated balance of PF, which is 10%, no TDS if it is less than 50,000. 193, TDS on interest on securities. Interest on securities, that is 10%. TDS on dividend. 194 is TDS on dividend, 10%. No TDS if it is less than 5,000, which is not in cash. 194A talks about TDS on interest. TDS on interest, that is also 10%. Here TDS on interest on securities, this is TDS on interest. And other than Mohanlal is a person here, we'll take him as an example given by Atul sir. So it is if business turnover is greater than 1 crore and gross receipts is greater than 50 crores, then he will be considered as Mohanlal in our example. Okay, so if it is Mohanlal, means he is earning turnover greater than 1 crore and gross receipts more than 50 crores, then for him TDS rates will be applicable. Otherwise, if it is a chotu person, not like Mohanlal and all, if it is some small person, then small guy like who is not earning so much income and all, then for him this 10% TDS rate is not applicable. Okay, so TDS on interest. You can get interest from the bank as well, right? So if it is bank, cooperative society or post office, if you are getting interest which is less than 40,000 and 50,000 in case of senior citizen, then there is no TDS for you. Like if you are getting interest from bank, cooperative society or post office, if the interest is less than 40,000 or 50,000 in case of senior citizen, then there is no TDS on that amount, on 40,000 or 50,000. Other cases, if it is less than 5,000, other than bank, cooperative society and post office, if you are getting any interest, then it is less than 5,000. Then interest by firm to partners, because they would have already paid the tax on that whatever the profit they would have earned, correct? So there is no interest by firm to partners. If they are giving any interest to the partner, then there is no TDS on that. Interest on income tax refund, no TDS on that. Interest on savings bank account, if you get any interest, a chotu interest that you get, that very small amount, that those things also will need not deduct any TDS on that. Interest paid to bank or LIC or UTI, if you are paying interest to bank, then there is no TDS on that. First of all, you are on, you are taking so much burden. On top of that, if they deduct TDS, then how will you pay so much amount? So interest paid to bank, received by bank, 40,000, 50,000 limit, and received by bank through savings bank account, no TDS on that. Then interest by cooperative society to its members, partnership firm to its partner, also no TDS. Then cooperative society to its member, also no TDS. If turnover is greater than 50 crores, then interest paid is greater than 40,000 and 50,000. So if this is the limit, then you have to deduct TDS, because you are a big person now. You are earning turnover which is greater than 50 crores and interest paid which is greater than 40,000 and 50,000. Interest on post office schemes, there is no TDS on that. Then 194B, Bade Log winning from lotteries. Bade Log is given by